Hi everybody, this is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter. Today we'll be unboxing the Ring Video Doorbell and Ring Chime. Let's start with the Ring Chime. So what you do is you plug this into your standard power port, and through Wi-Fi it becomes a chime for your doorbell. So that's the chime. It's very easy. So here are some of the tools that it comes with. So first thing you do is download the app, follow the directions in the app to connect the doorbell to Wi-Fi, set it up, choose your customization settings, and you're off to the races. And it even comes with some tools. So when we open this up, we have the brushed nickel, but they have some other colors as well. They give you a two-piece screwdriver here. They give you a handle for that. They give you a level. And what's nice is they give you some screws that will work. And the actual doorbell itself, this is the front piece. So there's the button and the camera module. And they say if this ever gets stolen, they will go ahead and replace it. So that's nice. So there's the front part, little manual. And this piece is in here. There we go. And then a diode here if you need it. And it also comes with a micro USB. So this is the Ring Video Doorbell. See, Ring Video Doorbell. It's named by Time magazine as one of the top gadgets of 2014. And we'll be testing it soon, so this is not a review, we're just unboxing and showing you what's available here. And the Ring Chime, which you plug it into your regular power socket and hook it up to your Wi-Fi, connect it via the same app. This is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter. We would love for you to subscribe to the channel. We enjoy positive comments and thumbs up. Thank you.